Somebody asked me questions and why we don't have kids. Morning, 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 morning. Roxy, your nails, your nails. What is that? Oh, look at that. That's how she wants something. She always puts her paw in my leg. Like sometimes you know what she does? She do like this. My skin. This is, for example, this is my body. Her, and this is her mouth. Oh my God, Roxy. Get down, Rox. Hey, get. No, you're not allowed in there. He do like this. Push my body and to tell me something, especially if she wanna go outside and then do her business. Good morning, good morning, Timika. Morning, 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 morning. You're so funny. You're so funny, Misty. Mystica, oh, you're so funny. Touching me. Are you touching me? Are you going to tell me something? Did you tell me something? I went from the basement. I'm looking for this baby Ziploc bag because I'm preparing Tommy's food to bring to work. Hold on, guys. This is the sandwich from Costco that we got yesterday. And I'm also packing some, how do you call that, salad from last night. Hey, what are you shaking your head for?
Some remedy you could look at.
Okay, what is it? What is it? Clorox.
No, his son-in-law. Clorox. Cucumbers.
What cucumbers will have?
Cucumber slices on it. Frank's been a cucumbers make a paste and spread it on it. It'll give you some relief. Also banana peel. Soak it in apple cider vinegar and put it on the rash. It draws the toxins out.
I don't know. Rap sheet says he lives here.
Any bag or paper bag?
Brown paper bag, not plastic.
Guys, I apply apple cider vinegar on my arm with a paper towel, and I put a elastic band in there that it won't fall off. And I wear this long sleeve because it's kind of ugly and it's already start on my neck too. What I'm worried about if it start going to my face. Oh my God, guys. It start in my nose now too. Holy cow. IG. What now? I'm not gonna touch my face everywhere now. Look at that. It's starting to itch like crazy. And this one's over here, so. Okay, I'm going to pick her up. You guys stay here. I'll be right back, okay? Mama will be right back. Cab driver also. I requested one cab driver because he owe us $10 the last time because he doesn't have a change. So I told the people who answered the phone that send that person. Okay, guys. I'm going to wait for the cab, and I think I'll get also the garbage pail. Hi, Rox. Hi, Roxy. Roxy. Did you do your pee-pee? Did you do your business, Rox? Did you do your business? What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat, Huy? What did you eat, Huy? Huy, what did you eat, Huy? What did you eat? Oh, no, you're too cute. Hi, Mitty. Hi, Mitty, Meat. I am making mushroom. Mushroom. And the dogs are out. Let's see what they're doing. Roxy. Hey. Psst, what are you doing? Let's go. I'm going to mix this. I just like try to reduce the water out here. Okay, I will let you in, but I don't want you to eat daddy's wires, huh? You're gonna be punished again if you do it. She keep eating Tommy's new wires. It's very hot. Coming up here in the 3rd floor, it's crazy. Too many stairs. It's a mess in here, guys. Look, mess. This house, it's ridiculous. And this is where there's a lot of junk in here. More like so many. There's so many garbage. It's piling also, and it's freaking ridiculous hot. You know, I can't breathe coming here. Like, I'm in the room on the 3rd floor, the small room. It's a mess over here too, but at least there is a bed that I can lay down, or maybe not. There's so many cat hairs in here. There's a TV. Tammy and I talk about, oh my god, this bed is really stiff. Tammy and I talk about, you know, just traveling from where we going to live and to work. It's like long drive for him, so we're looking for a car. It's a good mileage, which is probably Subaru, and so that means he's getting the car for him, so I probably use his car, you know, the one that he's using now, to make it like, you know, because my husband won't give up his car, the other car. It's really good car, and I'm thinking, okay, then you know what, I'm gonna drive your car, and just because we're not getting 3 cars, so I'm so dirty. This mirror, there's glass. It's go with this cabinet. The cabinet, I don't like it. It's not a real wood, but it's a really good piece of cabinet. Look, I don't know, you can't paint this. Let me see. Yeah, it's plated. No, you can't paint it. You see this bookshelf is slash door to the small attic, the other attic. You know, there's a lot of stuff here. I don't know, there's no light here, guys. Oh my god, there's a lot of Christmas decoration here. I probably get some of this. There's more downstairs. Oh, there's more in there, obviously. But I found this one. This is a good one. 2 crystal snowflakes, 48 lights each. So this is good. And this one too. This one and this, and of course this is all my husband's buying thing. This one, Swarovski. I don't know what's in there, but here, this is what's inside of this. This one, it's very pretty, guys. Look. I will keep that. That's very pretty. I'm gonna bring this downstairs to pack it, and yep. We're never having a party, guys, and they have a big screen outside. They're having a movie. I think it's a kid party. It's nice. Nice to have a movie outside movie. And Roxy wanna watch, right, Roxy, do you want to see? Do you wanna watch the movie in the neighbor? Look at that squirrel over there. That's what they've been wanting to. Barking all the time because there's a lot of squirrel everywhere. Right, Rox? Squirrel Roxy. Hi guys, I am in the other house. As you can see, I'm in the other house. And I am going to end this vlog again with a shout out. And I'm going to do a shout out, guys. So let me look on my phone. And yeah, so I'm looking in here because I put it down that I won't forget. So I will do a shout out. Shout out to Gina Wang. Hi Gina Wang, how are you? Kirilicious. Hi Kirilicious. This is a really nice name on YouTube. This is not your real name, right, sis? It's Kirilicious. It's really good. It's really good. It's a really nice name. And Hazel Cancio. Hi Hazel Cancio. And Judilyn Iligan. Hi Judy. And hi to Ginny Pulmano. Hi Ginny Pulmano. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. And okay, I have some last one. It's not a shout out, but on my Facebook page, somebody asked me questions, and I will answer those questions. And okay, I will answer this question. Corazon Parelio. She asked me how old I am. I am 32 years old. And why we don't have kids. I hope I can have one right away now, as in yesterday. I wish. Both me and my husband want a kid, you know. We want to adopt we wanted to adopt my niece, but I don't know yet. Okay, I don't know yet, but we're talking about that. But and in our own, guys, we don't have any nothing yet. Okay, we're praying, hoping that we have one, you know, because my husband and I, especially my husband, love kids, and I do like kids, and I want to have my own, you know. I'm not getting younger. I'm not getting any younger anymore. I am 32 years old. I'm getting older. That's really it, guys. And you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really do appreciate it so very much. And yeah, so I will see you in my next vlog. I'm trying to upload every other day now, guys. I've been, you know, trying, but you know, as you can see, I've been doing it every other day now, and yeah, I'm happy for that. And yeah, so cheers to subscribe. Please. Thank you guys so much. Bye.